Can you tell us one thing you did in the program?
We did a lot of fun stuff, such as go down multiple bushes around Winmalee area.
We went to Blue Gum Swamp, and then we also went to down the back of our high school, and we did lots of soil testings and taking photos.
I drew leaves and ferns, and up close when you looked at the ferns you could see the little hairs on it, so I drew the details on it.
I did a lot of water testing in the different locations we went to and all the swampy areas. We tested the pH of the water, and that in turn told us if creatures could live in the water, like small insects, tadpoles, dragonfly larvae.
What did you like doing the most?
I enjoyed being able to get out and around in the bush and learn a lot about the surroundings and the places that we have in the area. It was very interesting to know what was outside.
What I liked the most was probably the drawing and also making the teepee at Blue Gum Swamp. Just leaves and the nature around us.
The thing I find the most interesting about birds is their feathers. They're really colourful and somewhat waterproof.
One of my most memorable was probably eating the bush tucker, such as sarsaparilla leaves and everything, but you got to watch out because they can be poisonous sometimes. But I also really enjoyed building a little hut in the bush.
How's it different from being in the classroom?
I think I can learn better outside the classroom because there's more visual appeal and less words to take in. You can just have a photogenic memory and a basically snapshot of a flower or a bird or an ant.
Well, I like this more than being in the classroom because you can get outside, use up all your energy, and relax with your mates, learn a lot of stuff about the nature, and what's around you, pretty much, and yeah, it's just a load of fun.
It's a lot better doing science outside than inside because you have more room and more stuff to test. I find it's better to learn stuff when you're actually doing it than sitting down, writing stuff down.
Would you encourage other people to do this?
I think that this is an amazing course for learning about your surroundings and to help with making new friends and connections with nature.
I would recommend it for getting out in the bush more often because you can learn so much stuff about your surroundings and how much trees change the more deeper you go.
What's so special about our bush at Winmalee High?
Well, the bushland here is one of a kind, really. It's very rare to find it in the back of a school, and it's really big too. But there are a lot of creatures here, and if someone destroyed this place, we'd never be able to get it back, and a lot of animals would lose their homes, and we need to protect them.
I've really enjoyed working with the kids in the Connecting Kids with Nature program. I think it's really important for students to work with outside organisations such as the council so that their learning is connected to real life problems. Some of the things that we've been learning about are how special our bush is around Winmalee High School, and kids haven't always had an understanding of the different types of vegetation and the soil and what makes this place special, and now they have a much better understanding of that. They've learnt about lots of different species, about the different types of eucalypts that we have here, and that's why we're World Heritage, so that's really important. They've learnt about the different types of soil and vegetation, but they've also just had a lot of fun. It's great to see how calm and happy the kids are in the bush and how much it brings them joy. and I think that's really important to enhance their learning and wellbeing at school.